Good afternoon, everyone. How are you all?
Good afternoon. Fine, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Hi,
Okay.
ma'am.
I'm doing good. Thank you very much.
Sorry, ma'am.
I'm fine. Thank you, my dear students. Yes, definitely. Yes, I had it. All right. My dear students, I hope all of you are ready with your literature workbook part 2. Yes, those who have the book with them, I want them to be on page number 10. Rex, be on page number 10 and keep your device muted. Page number 10.
Which book?
Aiden Literature Workbook Part 2. Please check the messages and keep the book ready before joining the session. All of you are instructed to do that regularly. All right. In the previous session, we have tried to form lots of words, right? I had instructed all of you to form more new words than what we have already done in the class. Yes? Have you done it? Who all have tried to form new words by changing one letter at a time? Please show me the work done. The work done by you. Please show me. I had asked you all to form new words by changing. We have changed one letter and made new words. And I had instructed all of you to change more letters and do. Yes, Roshid, very good. One by one. Tiva, I don't want to see the notes. No. And I'm talking about the workbook. Yes, Rex, bring it closer. Some you have done. What about the others? Yes, Anamika has written some words. Okay, did both of you do it together? Yes, okay, fine. Anyway, the effort is appreciated. What about the others? When an instruction is given, it is applicable to each one of you.
Mama, I did that.
Where is it? Show it to me. Show it to me.
I showed.
Show it again. I didn't notice. Okay, Risa, how many words did you form? Okay, Rex. Yes. Okay, yes. Yours I had seen. Yes.
Mom, the last class I was absent.
When you remain absent, you must watch the recorded sessions compulsorily. Okay? Anyway, today we will continue with the next exercise. For that, I want all of you to be on page number 10. Page number 10. The next exercise that we are going to understand and complete today is titled Diary Entry. Diary Entry. Okay. So before we learn how to write a diary entry, the format of writing a diary entry, we need to understand what exactly is a diary. What exactly is a diary? I will be explaining it to you, but before that, I want to see whether you know what is a diary. Do you know what is a diary? Can anybody tell me what is a diary? Those who know, those who wish to answer, I want them to raise their hands. I don't want no chaotic answering here. Those who wish to answer, ready to answer, raise your hands. Yes, Anna Mary. Come on. What is a diary? What do you understand by the term diary?
A diary is a book. In each one can write about things.
Very good. A diary is a book about which things? Can you shed some more light on it, or can you speak a little more about it? What kind of things?
That happen in there. day-to-day lives.
What about day-to-day activities? I think I can see that you are taking help from the information given in the book, right? Good, but it's good. At least you thought about it and answered. Good. Anna, thank you. Thank you. Yes, you're right. A diary is a book. A diary is a book in which one means any particular person can write about things that happen in their day-to-day lives, in their everyday lives, from morning till evening. We keep on doing so many things, so many activities. And as a result of our participation in those activities, sometimes we feel happy, sometimes we feel sad, sometimes we get angry also. So depending on that, whatever activity is done, depending on that, whatever feelings we get about all that also can be written in the diary. A diary is a very personal book. It is personal to each and every individual. So whatever we do, whatever we feel can be written in the diary on a day-to-day basis. It is not compulsory that you write it on a day-to-day basis. If you want to write only about some specific days where you have participated in some particular function or competition or anything it can be, on those also, or those days only you can make the diary entry. It is up to your wish. Many people write diary entries almost every day. Almost it is the choice of the person who is writing the diary. If a person wants to write a diary on a daily basis, that can be done. If someone wants to write a diary entry only on specific events, only about specific events, that also can be done. See, people share their thoughts, feelings, hopes, and even dreams in their diaries. If you aspire to become something, if you dream of becoming something in the future, you are free to write about that also in your diary. A diary can be your friend. You can share everything in your diary. But keep in mind, a diary is a very personal book. You must never check anybody else's diary at all. Keep that in mind. If somebody comes and checks your diary, would you like it? No, not at all. The same way, we also must never check anybody else's personal diary. It is a very personal book because everybody is allowed to write their feelings, their emotions, whatever they have done in a day-to-day basis. Everything they can share in their diary. Did everybody understand? Now let us understand the format of a diary. Format. For diary entry also, there is a particular format. It helps us to remember. Later on, after many years, if we have a look at the diary, if we write it in the particular format, we will be able to remember, recollect everything about that particular moment of our lives. So it must be written. We must try to write it in a particular format. Let us see the format. The first part which comes on the topmost part is the day and date. So we start the diary entry by writing the day and date. For example, the day here mentioned here is Friday, 11th of November. So for example, if we are starting our diary entry today, Arfin, unmute your device and tell me. Just to think, imagine that we are starting the diary entry today. What should I write here?
Today's
Day
date.
and date. So what is it? Tell me. Day and date.
80.
Friday,
Friday, but
Put a comma.
11th
19th November. Today is 19th, right?
Yes.
19th November. Friday, 19th November. If you want, you are allowed to write the date, year also, sorry, 2021. Because later on, when you see many years back, you will be able to understand when, what, how. Okay? Then, here, greeting. You all know greeting, salutation or greeting. This particular entry is being made. We are speaking to our diary. We are telling the diary about how our day was, what all we have done in a particular day, how we have felt during the day. All that we are telling to the diary. So we will be writing the greeting. The first part is day and date. Then comes the greeting. As we are telling the diary everything, we will write the greeting as Dear Diary. Are we telling anybody else? No. We are trying to communicate with our diary. So the greeting can be written as Dear Diary. Did everybody understand? Dear Diary. After the greeting comes the main content of the diary. The main content. Whatever we want to write, we are allowed to write that in the diary. The main content of the diary. Okay. Contents of the diary entry. Okay. Now, diary entry. As I said, it's a personal book, so we can write whatever we felt, whatever we experienced, everything can be written in the diary. But we must see to it that the diary entries are always written in the first person. First person. That is, have you read about this in grammar? Have you learned this in grammar? First person, second person, pronoun. Have you heard about it in grammar?
Ma'am.
Tell me. Have you heard about it, learnt about it in grammar?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. What do you know about it? First person, second person, third person. First person. The person is talking about himself or herself. So what do we use when we speak about ourselves? Which pronoun? About ourselves. About ourselves. I, yes. That is with the pronoun I. So which pronoun? I am writing in my diary. I am writing about my experience. I am writing about my feelings. So it must be written using the first pronoun. That is first person pronoun. First person pronoun. That is I. I. Whose diary is this? It's my diary. I am writing about myself. So I should use the first person pronoun. That is I. I. I want Aryan to unmute the device and read the diary entry here. Keep it in mind. This is very important. First person pronoun. I want you to read louder, Aryan.
Today was
Such a horrible.
horrible day.
Horrible means very bad. Horrible day. Continue.
Nothing went right.
Hmm.
Why I could do it all over again.
Yes, do it all over again means to do it again, to start the day from the beginning once again. Is it possible? Once a day is over, is it possible for us to go back and start it again?
No.
No, but that is the wish of this particular person who is writing. So it's fine. It's his diary. He can write whatever he wants, right?
Yes.
Okay, Aryan, continue.
First, I forgot that I had a very
Where my, not where, where.
my
WHITE, white.
white shoes
Today. White shoes today. Mr. MR is to be read as Mr.
Mr.
Zubeidar. 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 Mr. Zubeidar.
The
Strict. STRICT. Strict.
strict for teacher
Made me run.
three
Run.
run
RUN. Run.
run three
3. ROUNDS. Rounds.
3 rounds of the ground for the
Before the assembly. Assembly.
3
Before the assembly. Then repeat. 3.
3 that
3.
I went to the classroom to find that I was late.
Not was. Don't drag the word. I was. I was late for the class.
So my class teacher
Made me stand
outside the class.
outside the class.
I have never had a full
Day.
day in my life. I hope such a day never
repeats.
repeats.
I hope such a day never repeats. Okay. Okay, good, Aryan. You're trying to read well. But just check the device that you're using. I was not able to hear you very clearly. Okay, Aryan?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you. So, as per this diary entry, the child is speaking about how horrible or how very bad his or her day was. The child seems to feel that nothing went wrong. What is the first thing that went wrong there? Rida, unmute.
Yes,
What is the
ma'am.
first thing that went wrong for the child that day?
He forgot to put
Where?
his
Where?
shoes.
Where?
His white shoes.
His white shoes. Yes, very good. And who caught him and gave the punishment?
Mr.
Zubaydar. Zubaydar. The?
punished him.
The sports teacher. Strict means someone who follows all the rules very well, correctly. Strict. Okay, sports teacher. What was the punishment? Thank you, Rida. Ishan, what was the punishment given to the child? Ishan.
Made me run
3 rounds of the
ground before the assembly.
before the assembly. 3. The child is feeling so bad about it. Horrible, very bad. 3 rounds. And then, what happened then? What is the next bad thing that happened according to the child?
3. Then I went
To
to
the classroom.
the classroom to find that I was
Late.
late for the class.
Hmm.
So my class
So-
teacher made me
Me stand
stand outside
the class.
the class.
Okay, good. And then when the child, after taking 2 rounds of the ground, when the child went back to his class, he was late. So the teacher also made him stand outside the class. So he got 2 punishments in a day. But whose mistake was it? The child's, right? If he had not forgotten to wear the white shoes, all this would never have happened. So we must be very careful. Whatever instructions are given to us, we must definitely try to follow them. Okay, my dear ones? Yeah. So finally, the child writes that I have never had a worse day. Worse, bad, worse, worst. Bad. A little more bad will be called worse, and very bad will be called worst. Worst day in my life. I hope such a day never repeats. The child is ending the diary entry in a positive note, hoping or wishing that such a bad day never repeats or comes again in his life. And finally, the last part of the diary entry is the name of the person who was writing the diary entry. My dear students, did everybody understand the contents of the diary entry? Yes? Okay, let's do an exercise here. Exercise 5 on page number 11. Fill in the blanks with words, phrases, or sentences to complete the diary entry. Okay. Which day is it? As I have told you, first we have to start with the day.
19th November.
Friday.
Friday, 19th November.
Yes, very good.
19th November.
19th November. Let's cancel that May and write November. Okay? Dear what? What is the greeting? We are speaking to conveying our emotions to the diary. Yes, dear diary. Dear diary. Then I want one of you to tell me. Adnan, try. I had. Adnan, unmute. Unmute. Adnan, can you hear me? Unmute your device. Yeah. Read. I had a very.
Yesterday, I was playing with my friends.
I was playing with my friends. Dash and dash. You can write the names of any of your 2 friends. Okay. It's up to you. Whoever's name you want to write, you are allowed to write that. Continue from here. When a little kitten.
Dash, I named her.
When a little kitten. Okay, let us write. Jumped in. The 3 children were playing. Suddenly, a little kitten jumped in. Jumped in means just came there suddenly to play with us.
Ma'am, playing with
To play with us. When a little kitten jumped in to play with us, I named her Barfi. I named her Barfi. Continue reading, Adnan. When
mummy come home from work,
actually it should be when mummy came home. Make the correction, C-A-M-E. Came home. Because this is about someday which has already happened. So we must use the past tense. When mummy came home from work,
when mum came home from work,
what happened? She would see the kitten, right?
yes,
So let us write that. She saw,
the kitten,
what is that? There is a name, right? Let us write that name. Barfi. She saw Barfi, and imagine that the child's mother does not like cat.
I am in my mother's home. I forgot to take my book.
It's okay, it's okay. And asked me to send her away. Sometimes it may happen that someone in our family doesn't like cats. And apart from that, there is a situation that we don't know whose cat it is. It has just come from somewhere. So we must not take animals which belong to some other people without their permission, right? That is not a good thing to be done. Their owners will be searching for the cat then. They won't know that the cat is with us. So in such situations, it is good for us to send the cat away or inform the owners about the cat or whichever animal it is. So here what happened? When mummy came home from work, she saw Barfi and asked me to asked me to send her away. Asked me to send her away. She saw Barfi. She saw Barfi and asked me to send her away. Then what happened? Yes, continue, Adnan.
I begged her to let me keep Buffy. Finally, I could if Buffy did not belong to anyone.
Wow, yes, this is what I said. We don't know whose cat it is. So mother, when the child requested, I begged her. To beg means to request again and again. May I keep? May I keep? You all do that, right? Don't you? May I do this? May I do this?
Yes.
That is called requesting again and again. So the child begged her, requested his mother again and again to let him keep Barfi. And finally, after a lot of requests, the mother said that the child could keep Barfi if Barfi did not belong to anyone. The mother asked the child to confirm that the cat does not belong to anyone else. If we know that the cat belongs to someone else, what should we do?
We must
We must see to it that we return the cat to the family, to its family. Otherwise, the cat will also be sad and the family members also will be sad. So it is not good at all. If it belongs to somebody else, we should return it to that family. Animals are also like human beings. For example, one day if you are not able to come back to your family, how would you feel? You won't feel good, right? The same way we must understand the feelings of animals also. Animals also have feelings. So try to understand them and treat everybody in a fair way. Okay, my dear ones, you must be very kind towards animals also. They don't know to communicate as we do. They can't speak. They cannot speak in words. So we need to understand their feelings and treat them accordingly. Do you agree with that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay, good, good. So if you have some pets at your home, Arfin, sit properly. You must try to understand them and take care of them accordingly. I hope everybody has understood what a diary entry is, how it is to be done, the rules to be followed. Now, question. Thank you, Adnan. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. A diary entry is very important. Should be made in dash. What is it? A diary entry must be made in dash. I am talking about the usage of words.
In memory.
Memory. Memory. Ah, okay. Yes.
Ma'am,
That has already
will
happened.
share
in
this note to the class group.
First person.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
you will share the note to the class group.
Definitely, I will share. I always do that, right?
Mama, Dinan can?
This also I will share.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Adnan, try.
Hopes,
Hmm.
thoughts.
I am talking about the language, my dear, the way of writing. First person.
First person. That is
Agnes can.
the
Yes.
pronoun.
And Agnes can.
Language, madam.
First person pronoun.
First person.
First person pronoun. What is the first person pronoun? Which is the first?
I.
I, yes. It's used when we speak about ourselves. I. See, this child has written, today was such a horrible day. Nothing went right. I wish I could do it all over again. See, while speaking about himself, the child is using the first person pronoun throughout. I forgot that I had to wear my white shoes. I. Then I went to the classroom to find that I was late for the class. I have never had a worse day. I hope the first person pronoun I is being used so many times in the diary entry. That is a very important rule for writing the diary entry. Keep it in mind always. Must be written in first person pronoun I. Okay? It's very, very important in terms of the diary entry. And finally, we have to end by writing our name. So you are supposed to write your name because this is one entry which you are writing. These are your feelings, your experience, your emotions. So at the end, you have to write your name in the blank space. Is it clear to all of you? Yes? Everybody understood? Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Please write the names of any of your two friends in the blank space. First sentence. Yes, it.
Ma'am, Rida is showing something.
Showing.
Yes, Rida.
What is it, Rida? No, she's facing.
Ma'am, this is.
Yes, yes. Hold it properly, Rida. What is it?
Ma'am, this is my diary.
That's your diary? 1 second. Okay,
Of
okay.
2022.
Okay,
For the
okay,
next
okay. Next year. Okay, good. So you can start writing in it.
Yes.
Yes, to see.
Now you have understood the format, how to make a diary entry. So make use of the diaries that you have with you.
2021.
Yes, very good, Agnes, Adnan. Yes, yes, good, good. Thank you for sharing. So, in which language, which terms are we supposed to use while making the diary entry? First person pronoun. First person pronoun. That is I. Did you enjoy and learn at the same time? Yes? Okay, fine. Thank you very much. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye. Bye.